We all crave some sort of dessert after a nice dinner, right? So we want to show you how you can lose that craving with a homemade carrot halwa. This Indian dessert is guaranteed to satisfy you with its combination of sweet fresh carrots and rich oat milk. Hello and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we're making a traditional Indian dessert called carrot halwa. This cardamon-scented pudding is a match made in heaven for those with a sweet tooth. But as always, before we begin, please be sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap that notification bell. And of course, let's get cooking. Let's start by measuring and preparing all our ingredients before beginning cooking. Now this is super important so that we cook more efficiently. Once you have all of them set in your table, let's grab a bowl of a food processor and add 1 pound of baby carrots. Let's then process them until they are finely chopped. Once you feel like the carrots are processed well, set them aside and grab a 1 quart sized pot and heat it over medium heat. Then add 1/2 cup of butter and let it melt before adding any chopped carrots. It is important that the heat of our stove is not too high so that the mixture doesn't burn. Now, once the butter has melted and is slightly warm, add the carrots in and saute them until translucent, which should take around 10 minutes. Remember to continuously stir the mixture while you're sauteing the carrots so that they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. When you see that the carrots are nicely translucent, add 3 cups of oat milk to the pot, along with 1/2 cup of monk fruit sugar. Then simmer everything on medium-low heat and cook, stirring occasionally until the moisture is completely evaporated. The carrot mixture should turn into a big lump, and if not, let it simmer for a longer time. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom and stir the spice until well incorporated into our big carrot lump. You can also substitute oat milk with another variety of non-dairy or dairy milk in case you don't like any plant-based milk. Although we do recommend you use the oat milk for that rich Indian flavor. Let's now transfer the carrot halwa from our pot to a serving dish and garnish with chopped nuts. You can also top with raisins instead of nuts or add them both for a bigger combination of flavor. Now serve and enjoy. If you'd like to view all the steps again, more carefully this time, or read extra recommendations, please be sure to check the description box or head to our website at cozymeal.com/recipes to find more flavorful desserts from all over the world. Do not forget to leave a like on this video and share this recipe with your friends and family. Let them know about Indian delicacies. Guys, they're so underrated. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again cook along with us in our next video recipe.